Business and marketing at Riverside is a lot of things. It's learning about the academics of business, what goes into making your own business or working within a business, but it's also the application of it, meaning how do we actually talk with people out in the business world? What's expected of us? How do we follow through? How do we meet timelines?
It's so interactive. I'm not just taking tests and learning things on paper, but I'm actually getting to interact with people who have businesses. I'm a physical learner, so hands-on makes me retain things better. And I think just for everyone, that's just more enjoyable and more memorable.
Once we understand or learn the topics, and sometimes even before, we jump in and we work with local businesses. Sometimes it's creating logos or branding. Sometimes it's just producing something like a t-shirt or swag they might need. The students don't look at me and say, when am I ever going to use this? Because they're seeing exactly when they use this, and they're super excited when they go out and they see some of their designs or some of their products out and about in the community.
We just got done with the cross team shirts, and we had to fix up the design and make sure it transferred from digital to shirts. We also did Roxy's Cafe, which they needed a banner, so that was kind of its own challenges, and it was just really fun to learn and experiment.
Real world experience I think is very important, and it can help people see if they really want to go through with this career path. I can apply what I'm learning into my business. It's really helpful and just a really good guide.
Working with industry standard type software, they like to use things like Canva and different programs like that, which is awesome. And then they jump into Adobe Illustrator and find out, oh, there's a lot to this. But we're able to reinforce that. We had a graphic design artist in here that was able to reinforce why they want to use that program.
What's nice is we get a whole computer lab to do stuff in, and it's just been really fun because we just get to do fun stuff that also teaches us how to learn.
Not only am I a student making something, but I'm actually making a difference in someone else's business, and it's super exciting because I can actually do things. It's cool.
You know, the idea of what they get in here, it's really up to them. I mean, do you want to go to college? Great. Do you want to jump in and while you're going to college do something that involves these type of things? Great. If you want to jump out in the workforce, great. You've got a skill set that's going to allow you to do any of those things. And so that's one of the exciting things about it is you don't have to have a single path. There's a lot of different exit points for them and not just different entry points.